Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another skincare product which name is Isntree Onion Newpair Sunscreen. It is a new sunscreen in the Isntree Onion line. The Isntree Onion Newpair Sunscreen is a chemical sunscreen with a unique purple texture and a moisturizing feel. This is a chemical sunscreen with very lightweight lotion-like texture. It spreads evenly and absorbs fast. There is no fragrance, it doesn't smell like onion, don't worry it doesn't peel, and it's great under makeup. It's enriched with muin red onion extract and multivita complex, allantoin. With this sunscreen you can get glowing, radiant, no greasy feeling and no white cast. Feels soothing on the skin. Onion Newpair Sunscreen available in 50 ml packing. Chemical sunscreen with a broad spectrum of SPF 40 PA+++ to protect skin from harmful UV rays. Let's talk about its ingredients. Tea enriched with 5% red onion extract to help even skin tone. It is also formulated with soothing complex like allantoin and Hydroxyapatite cordata extract to soothe and hydrate skin, as well as glycoproteins to act as a primer to smoothen the skin surface. This sunscreen also contains with multivita complex like niacinamide, tocopherol and menadione to brighten skin tone for a healthy looking complexion. And with a creamy, moisturizing texture in a unique purple shade that can help neutralize the skin discoloration. How to use. At the last step of skincare routine, apply an even layer to the entire face and gently pat for better absorption. I've been using it for a week now and my skin didn't break out, so I'm really happy about that. Suitable for all skin types.